research projects. Dig this. Let's discuss how mind maps can help with research projects. Place your research topic at the center of your mind map. Branch out the research questions, data collection methods, analysis, and presentation. Under each branch, detail specific tasks like forming hypotheses, selecting research tools, interpreting data, and preparing reports. This structure helps you organize your research process, ensuring that you cover all necessary steps systematically. Mind maps can make complex projects more manageable and keep you on track. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. Peace.